Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with another video. Today we'll be taking a look at some very nostalgic and classic styled dinosaur magnets. So as a kid, I used to collect a lot of different magnets from everywhere I went, as well as dinosaur magnets at various gift shops, museums, etc. And recently I got this really cool pack of 20 magnets for Christmas. And it has some very interestingly styled dinosaurs. I'm not sure who the artist is, though if I did more research I could probably tell. But they definitely bring back a lot of memories with their style. So we'll be taking a look at each one of them and seeing what species are in this box. So first off we have Parasaurolophus. It's got this kind of green color with purple and then the red crest, which is very interesting as a lot of the Parasaurolophus renditions from back in the day had that colorful crest on. We've got a Hadrosaur, possibly Edmontosaurus. I think this is Struthiomimus by the head, kind of ornithomimid. We've got a Stegosaurus with very fancy plates. You can see red and orange patterns on them, which is very neat. Again, a lot of the old Stegosaurs also had very colorful plates, very nostalgic. This is just a recolor of the Hadrosaur we just looked at. So this one's got like a kind of cream color and orange, whereas this one's got blue, different shades of blue. So this guy, Pachyrhinosaurus, not really one you see a lot, but it's neat in its unique position. It's got kind of a frontward facing head on it instead of side view like this guy, Brachiosaurus. I wonder if there's a Triceratops in here. Let's see if this one is. Yep, and we've also got Triceratops, so 3 different ceratopsians. Let's see who this one is. Oh, this is like a Troodon, Dromaeosaurus, maybe Velociraptor. Very interesting, they've got feathers on it. We've got Tyrannosaurus, just a classic kind of normal style. Oh, very neat. Cryolophosaurus. I was not expecting this one in the box. It's cool how they did the frill with the blue. No feathers on it though. Got a Pteranodon, little one. Just a normal looking. It's kind of got red on the crest. This is really neat. Coelophysis. It's really long too. It's longer than the rest in the box. Very skinny. The tail's quite thin. So is the head. It's got broken wrists too, kind of Jurassic Park style. And I do love the colors. I like the orange on the top, the brighter orange, and then the white on the bottom with this dark line separating it. Kind of gives it that more deserty feel, the kind of environment it's always portrayed in. Now this is interesting. It's kind of like a classic rendition of an Oviraptor. You can see there's no feathers on the arms. Of course the wrists are bent down. But there's feathers, just a very light feather coating on the back and tail. And then it's got a really nice painted crest with kind of reddish orange and yellows. And the bottom jaw is a different color, which is really cool that they put a lot of detail into that, though it is quite inaccurate in classic style. Here we've got, I think, Polycanthus. Now, every classic artwork piece that I see with this guy, it's always green on the top and this kind of orangey brown on the bottom, which I love. Again, this brings back a lot of memories. Really cool that they decided to include this one. Here we've got a more classic Spinosaurus with the sail kind of not a circle, not like a round shape. It kind of goes up and then flat, then down, like an odd shape to it, and tiny little forelimbs. We've got not Ankylosaurus, this guy's Euoplocephalus because of those big spikes on the back. And it's more in a forward-facing pose as well, like the Pachyrhinosaurus. And we got a nice Pachycephalosaurus, very stylized with the red colors, but just the accurate kind of usual to it with the spikes and has it got 5 fingers? Let's see, 2, 4, 5. Nice. Though they've got one of the fingers kind of dangling off the arm. Interesting. Here we've got another Ornithomimus, the different paint job. Kind of reminds me of the paint job of Archaeornithomimus in Jurassic World Alive. Anyways, and then here's Brachiosaurus. Really nice. It's got that typical bluish gray color to it. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.